You're blocking.
Falcon. Eagle. Eagle? Let's see. So this is the eagle. Yes, it's a catfish. Eagle.
Oh, I see him. He's in there. I'm gonna check over here. Hello, Mr. Vulture. Oh, I can get a good close up on this guy. Hi. You're probably one of the best people I get a close up on.
Birds. It's a vulture.
Oh, he's in the bucket over there. In the pool.
They look pretty cute. So yeah, vulture.
Look right there. Oh, you see that one?
Oh, that one in the pool.
Yeah. Wow.
There are a bit of blackbirds over here too. Black vultures.
USA. I think that one likes people. It's hiding up.
There's a bunch of people watching you right now.
They probably want to fly out.
We're on the back here.
Come and see the eagle.
Hello. How's it going? Hmm? You're a pretty fella.
Please do not touch or feed birds. We are well fed. And we bite. You bite? And I guess we'll stay away from you.
Hello. What is your name? I found a nice name for him. Volchi.
Huh? You want to get through a lobby better? Oh, showtime. Almost. Ooh. You're a handsome little bird, aren't you? Should I say big bird? You an alarm system? Elephants and friends. Elephants. Oh, this is a bald eagle. Guess what? You're on YouTube.
Buddy, bald eagle. Do you like YouTube? Is it too? Hey, why is
He doesn't
there
even know
a
what it
YouTube?
is.
Why is there a yellow though?
A what?
There's a YouTube that you're on YouTube.
That might be some ways for them to feed them. They might be good too.
What do you think about those, eh?
Yeah. Hello. Good legs. You wouldn't mind the bend that way. You flicking yourself? You're being watched. You're being watched. You're being watched. You're being watched. Nice place you have here. But you're being watched. We'll be watching a show in this little area.
find somewhere else.
We'll see you in a little bit.
Oh, Ash,